That's what I'm doing.
God, he is too.
He is really determined to kill us.
What did we do to piss him off?
Like, I don't know, that's about it. Now he's like, there's a second guy.
No, remember we got the kill assist? He blew up.
Oh.
We got 2 kill assists from him. Yeah.
He was in a workout.
Shit. Is the helicopter locked?
Yeah.
Unlock it.
Pretty good.
Alright, so I might be, if we open up the back hatch, I might be able to shoot out the back hatch and go in that way.
Really? With your gun?
Yeah, I got the
Oh, do it. Do it. How much ammo does your left door gun have?
I'm not using it for it, I'm using it.
Well, I could switch if I wanted to.
No, why did it take this long to think about this? I got 2 shots on it. And these are clear caliber.
Yeah, dude, you'll rip right through that if you get them.
Tony, you get in the back too.
Fun. This is way easier than what we were doing before. And I got the ammo perk on, so I can shoot big.
Dude, I got grenades.
Dude, get over here.
How far away you think he is? 100 meters?
Hold up.
Oh! Did we get him?
Dude,
No.
loading.
Where's which seat is he in?
He's gaining.
He said you should be in the seat to our left. Yeah, I can see you. Enemy kill. Enemy.
Dude, you got him. Wait, no, that was Jack.
Who
Is
the
that him?
fuck was Jack?
Is that Jack?
Is the helicopter going down?
No, no.
I don't see it.
I hear it.
Oh,
Dude, it was him.
Dude, we got
Dude,
him!
it was him. It was him.
We got him! Holy shit, guys! That was fucking fantastic.
You know what we're at?
I told him, looks like we win, fam. Why didn't we think of that before? God damn.
Yeah, we should have done that before. That was way easier.